Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Before I start, I just want to apologise for the fact that you guys are not on my tripod at the moment. So it is terrible lighting and a slightly wibbly wobbly camera, but I will have you back on my tripod shortly. But for today's video, we have got a non-nail related video. I am going to be opening up this box from Revolution. For the last few weeks, Revolution have had quite a big sale on their website with up to 70% off of quite a lot of their products. So for Christmas, I did treat myself to this gift set. It has taken quite a while to come, but I don't mind. It's absolutely fine. I understand there's a lot of delays going on in the world, and quite frankly it's makeup, so I'm not exactly in a hurry, but I'm really excited that it's here now, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it. So this is the Makeup Obsession Don't Count Me Out gift set from Revolution. This was originally £30, but it's been knocked down to £20. As you can see there, this is all the products that are in this gift set, so it looks like it's really good value for money. So today I'm just going to be unboxing it and showing you guys everything that is inside of this gift set. I do apologise to my nail girls that I know quite frankly do not give a shit about this sort of thing, but I hope there is some of you out there that will enjoy this video. I just thought I'd share with you and show you guys a bit more of a closer look at the products in case you're interested yourself. Revolution website has literally got so many products on sale right now, so if you are into makeup, I would be quick and grab yourself some bargains while you can, because there's been some major discounts. And I personally can't recommend Revolution enough. They are the best affordable brand out there in my opinion, and they have a huge variety and their products really are good. There is a couple of products that I personally don't find great, but considering how many Revolution products I have tried, I'd say a good 90% of them I really love. There's a very small percentage that I don't like. So that's why I just want to show you guys this video today. So I'm going to crack on. I'm going to open up this box, show you guys the packaging, the contents of it. We're going to do some swatches and just give you guys my thoughts on it all. So I'm going to crack on and I hope you all enjoy. So this part is just a sleeve that goes on the outside of the box, and then here we have the actual box itself. It's a lot bigger than I expected it to be, and that's why I've taken you guys off my tripod for a moment. It's just simply because I couldn't fit that all in frame, but I did want to show you guys what it's like. Like, it's definitely quite a chunk. If you look at the size of my hand compared to a box, like, it is a good chunky box. But I do love these boxes as well because they are reusable. Like, you're not just going to throw that away straight away. It's got a nice lift up top, and it's a good sturdy box as well, so you can definitely reuse it and keep it and everything. If you do not want to keep the products themselves inside of there, you can use it for other bits and bobs, which I really do like. And then this is how the inside of the box has been set out, which I really love. As you can see, they've put everything in separate boxes, which I don't necessarily feel like it's needed, but it does look really smart. So as you can see, it literally just goes down box by box, says which each and every product is inside of the boxes, which I really like. I just think it looks really like pleasing and satisfying. Like I said, I don't necessarily feel like all this packaging is needed, but it does look really smart and it's definitely very cute. I do like it a lot. So I thought I'd just show you that bit, just because it's nice to sort of have a bit more of an idea of what to expect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each and every single one of these boxes and show you guys what's in here. As you can see, there is a lot of products. We've got an eyeshadow palette, we've got highlighter, a scrunchie set, lip gloss trio, another that's a blush palette, that one. We've got another eyeshadow palette, another eyeshadow palette, some brow gel, a brush set, illuminating primer, a liquid eyeshadow duo. Ooh, I'm excited to see what they're like. And an illuminating setting spray. So you've got like most things that you need to do a full face makeup in here, apart from the basics like foundation, mascara, etc. But otherwise there is a really good variety of bits and bobs in here, and I just love the simple little things like the scrunchie set, because I've been wanting small scrunchies, so I'm really excited about them. But yeah, let's stop waffling and let's have a look at the contents of this box. So there we go, you guys are safe and firmly back on my tripod now. I am still on my bed. I've moved my studio light, I've got my ring light and everything all on in my bedroom because I'm lazy and can't be asked to move back to my desk, quite frankly. But I'm just going to go through all these products one by one and show you all of them. So I'm going to start off with the scrunchie set first. I think I'm going to leave the palettes till last, so we're just going to go through all the little knickknacks first. So you get 3 scrunchies as part of the set. You got a black one, a nice light pink one, and then sort of a creamy silky looking one. They feel like good scrunchies. I do love a good scrunchie because they don't get lost in my hair, quite frankly. Because a normal hairband, I've got really thick hair, so a normal basic elastic hairband easily gets lost in my hair, gets tangled up. It's a mess. You know, I like to sleep with my hair out because my hair is quite thick and long. I like to sleep with it tied up, and then in the morning it's a right mess. The hairbands get stuck in my hair and it's just a nightmare. So I love a good scrunchie. And I also use these sort of hairbands a lot as well because they're like tangle-free hairbands, so really good. If you've got thick, long hair and you haven't seen these before, get yourself some because they are the best thing in the world. I love these so much because they're completely tangle-free and they never get stuck in my hair. They're great. But I also love scrunchies for that as well because they don't get lost. I know that sounds really daft, but they're really, really, really helpful. So yeah, I'm very happy to get these, and they're really cutesy little colours as well. Okay, and then next we've got a lip gloss trio. So we've got 3 different lip glosses here. They don't have any names on them, but we've got a nice nude sort of toned one. We've got a very sparkly shimmery one, and then we've got quite a deep red one. Now, I'm not really much of a person for lip gloss. I prefer more of like a matte lip, but on occasion I do wear a lip gloss. I don't know how I feel about these, but I'm going to quickly swatch them on my wrist and just see what they're like. So I'm going to start off with the nude one. Yeah, they're quite pigmented. Very pigmented. I wouldn't really call that a nude actually. It's sort of more like a corally sort of orangey peachy colour, but it's not bad. I probably will use it. We've then got a shimmery one, quite a silver shimmery one. That's quite cute, but it's not sort of an everyday sort of wear lip gloss really. And then we've got a red toned one, which is quite a deep red, and look at that, it's very pigmented, very deep red. I don't know if that's really one I would wear, but it is nice. Next we've got a brow gel. I'm really hoping this will be a clear, and like I said with the packaging, like the size of that box compared to how big the product is, like, it's kind of a bit of a waste of packaging. But let's see what it's like. It is a clear, yay, I'm happy about that. And it's got a nice little spoolie on it as well, so I'm really happy about that because obviously anyone can use that, so it's a really good thing to have in the gift set. It comes with a 7ml tube. So yeah, I'm very happy with that and I'm excited to try it out. We have got an illuminating primer. So this is like a pretty decent sized tube really. It's a 25ml tube. And that should go a very long way. Like I was expecting that to be sealed. I'm just going to dab a little bit on my wrist. It feels like a nice consistency. It rubs in really nice as well. So it feels really good. It's not too thick or anything. It blended in quite nicely. I don't know if it's going to be a blurring one. I think it's literally just an illuminating primer, but I'm excited to try that anyway, and I'm pretty impressed with how big the tube is, so very happy with that one. We've got a liquid eyeshadow duo. I'm really excited to try this out. Also really big tubes as well, which I was not expecting, but look at that pink. They look really, really, really nice. Again, they haven't got any names or anything, but I'm just going to swatch them on my wrist again and see what they're like. Okay, so this is a pink one. So a very metallic pink. That's really pretty. I don't have no liquid eyeshadows either, so I'm really happy about these. They're absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, very metallic pink. It's really nice. And then we've got this sort of silvery white creamy one. Oh wow. Yeah, it's really pretty as well. I think that would work actually as a highlighter maybe. That's super cute though. I really like that. So these are 2.5ml tubes as well, so I think that is very generous, and I'm really excited to look with those. Like I said, I've never owned any liquid eyeshadow, so yeah, they're really shiny and really metallic, and I'm very excited about them. They're awesome. Next we have got a brush set. So this brush set comes with 3 different brushes here. The handles on them are really thick, like they're probably the thickest ones I have. And then we've got 3 eyeshadow brushes, I guess. They're quite soft and fluffy. I have got better feeling ones, I'm not gonna lie, but they're pretty big as well. That one would be a very good blending brush. That one would probably be quite a nice crease brush. And that one's slightly slanted. I'm not very clued up when it comes to brushes and stuff, but I do appreciate a good brush, so I'm excited to try those out. But they look like very good brushes anyway. Just like I said, they're quite chunky, but I think it's a really nice feature to have in this set, and they're really gorgeous as well. Then we've got an illuminating setting spray. The packaging is pretty basic, the same as all the other products that I've shown so far. So I have just sprayed it on my face. It feels fine. It's got a very floral scent to it, which I'm not a very big fan of floral scents, but it's not terrible. It's not overly potent. It's quite a subtle fragrance, so it's not bad at all. It's a massive bottle. It's a 100ml bottle, And yeah, always appreciate a good setting spray. Okay, then moving on to some highlighter. I'm really not quite understanding the packaging because this massive box for that tiny little highlighter, I actually thought it was going to be a palette. So like I've already said, I feel like I have gone a bit overboard with the packaging, but it looks really cute anyway. So as you can see, this is quite a golden highlighter. It's not a typical sort of one that I would go for. I normally sort of go for more of the whiter toned highlighters, but we'll swatch it and see what it's like. It is nice. It's very nice. It's just very golden as well, but it's something different. I don't have one like that, so yeah, it's very different. I'll definitely give that a go. This one is a 6-gram pot, so that will last for ages. And then we've got a blush palette, and I love the packaging on this one. It almost doesn't look like it should be part of the collection, but it's just completely different packaging, but it looks absolutely beautiful. So we have got a mirror, which is always good. And then I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to be all blushes, but we've got a very pink blush. We've got a very funky looking highlighter. We've got sort of like a bronzer. I'll say that's more like a contour colour, but it's really nice, and the pans are like massive. So that's really cool. I'm going to swatch these again anyway. Okay, so we go. We've got the blush, which is very, very metallic and shiny and bright pink. We have got the highlight, which is very bronze sort of toned. I think I'd use that one more on my eyes than I would on my face, to be honest. And then we've got the bronzer, which is quite subtle actually, and I did have to sort of put my finger over it 3 times to get it like that. So it's quite subtle, which is good because it means it's buildable, and no one wants a bronzer that's too overly pigmented because then it's just going to be a pain to sort of blend out. So it's good to have a nice subtle one because you can build it up. And then this is a very chocolatey sort of contoury type colour, but it's very dark. Again, I don't know if I'd use that on my face, but I might use it on my eyes. But I do really like the palette. It's definitely completely different to anything else I've got in my collection. So I'm going to go into the 3 different eyeshadow palettes now. We've got the Bougie shadow palette. Again, I absolutely love the packaging on that one. That's absolutely gorgeous. All of these palettes have got a mirror inside of them as well. And then this is the colours for this one. So we've got a nice shimmery purple called Bad. We've got a sort of aqua greeny colour called So Extra, a silver called Gimme, a pink called Lux, a coppery bronzy kind of colour called OTT, a nice deep purple called That Bee, got a black called a sort of nice sort of good colour for a highlighter called Flexing, and then this sort of deep gold colour called Watch Me. So I'm just going to swatch these again off camera and then show you them all. Okay, so I've swapped arms for these swatches, but there's a good little look at all the colours there. It's a very shimmery palette, this one. So we've got the gold, we've got the sort of nice creamy sort of silvery shimmery, we've got the black shimmery, we've then got the pink, the coppery sort of shimmery, we've got the purple shimmery, and then we've got this sort of gunmetal grey, we've got the aqua green, and then we've got the other purple. So the super shimmery, which I really like because I don't have a huge amount of shimmery eyeshadows, and yeah, they're really pretty. Okay, moving on to Glossy Vibes shadow palette, and we've got a very purple toned palette here. I like the fact it's got a nice matte brown in it, quite a few shimmeries, a nice matte purple. But again, I'm just going to swatch this and then I'll show you all. Okay, so there we go. So we've got the gold, which is really nice. We've got this purple, which has kind of got like a black undertone to it. It's really nice. We've got the matte brown. We've then got the lilac-y shimmery purple. Then we've got the matte purple. We've got this sort of like deep reddy purple kind of one, which has kind of like an orange undertone, like the purpley sort of reddy shift on the shimmer. Really nice. We've got the silver. We've got sort of the coppery colour. And then another purple shimmer. But yeah, it's a really beautiful palette, that one. I like that a lot. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, we've got this one called Shimmer Vibes. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. We've got a load of sort of nude, sort of natural tones, which are great for sort of everyday neutral makeup. I love them, and I don't have a palette like this. But yeah, let's swatch these again. Okay, there's the swatches of those ones. That last shimmery one is incredible. They're all really pigmented. That's what I really like about Revolution eyeshadows. I can't really fault any of them. But it's gorgeous range of sort of natural looking colours there that are going to look absolutely stunning. And like I said, I don't have a palette like this at all, so I'm really excited to use this one. Okay, so that's everything from this gift set. We've got 3 different eyeshadow palettes. We've got the nice blush palette. We've got the highlighter, setting spray, which I have also just noticed. It's got loads of shimmery particles in it. We've got the 3 scrunchies, 3 brushes, the primer, 2 liquid eyeshadows, 3 lip glosses, and then the clear brow gel. I think for £20 a set is an absolute bargain. There's so many products in it and they all look really fab and I cannot wait to use them. So like I said, Revolution have got a massive sale on their website right now, so if you want to grab yourselves a good bargain, I would while it lasts, because I don't know how much longer it's going to be on for, because it has been on for quite a while now. They've got a massive variety of products to pick from at absolute bargain prices, so I definitely recommend them. But anyways, I hope you have all enjoyed this video. I know it's not my normal thing, but I hope you've enjoyed it regardless. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I will link the Revolution website and link this particular gift set in my description box if you'd like to check it out. And other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!